As the saga continues, Dwayne's topic for his live was my grandma used to say, "You're sorry for Maga dog, them turn round and bite you. I'm disappointed." Dwayne calls out Suzette Williams. He says that she tries to control him, and on many occasions she had blocked him and unblocked him. He also states that he and Gracie had put out her story about the money that was stolen from her, but nothing happened, and there was nothing else he could have done.
Suzette Williams. Suzette. You've been nothing more than confusion in my life. Remember when you reach out, remember you had me blocked, lady. You had me blocked. You had all of us blocked, right? So I was shocked. You unblocked me. Clearly, you must have been following my page and see me and my people and beg the money them for Saloni. And all of a sudden, you unblock me and come insert yourself in the Saloni issue. Right? Suzette, me never call you. Suzette, I, Dwayne Fletcher, never reach out to you, lady. Right? You had me blocked. Right? In fact, you blocked me how much time? Several times. When you initially reached out to me, I was one of the only bloggers who responded to you. I listened to your story and I said, yes, the world needs to hear this about girl Shanti and thief your money from you. The world needs to hear your damn story. Right? I took it upon myself and I put out your story. Then all of a sudden you're linked with Gracie. You're linked with, I think it was just me and Gracie linked with. But lady, you see my title say, you're sorry for Maga dog, them turn on and bite you. Right? That is how I feel when it comes to you. I was one of the only blogger who responded. I'll go in my damn message. I was one of the only bloggers who responded to you, Suzette. I put out your story. In the midst of putting out your video, you called, you talked, you did whatever. And when I was time for me to put out your damn video,
May I beg enough to subscribe now? Share, like, and comment on the video.
my phone battery kept on getting low, so the people then wasn't hearing. So what I did, I stopped the damn video. Right? If you wanted me to post the whole live, I would have posted it on my damn page instead. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3.